Hey, it's Brett from Techify Fiber and Wireless. Just sharing with you what I'm doing this afternoon. I'm out in Fremont, California, running some tests on our new wireless equipment that we're deploying for our network and our customers. As you can see, I'm standing out in the middle of nowhere, essentially, several miles from one of our towers up in the mountains behind me here. And I've deployed a wireless radio receiver unit, this white unit you see strapped to the truck. That's connected to my truck for power, and then it's connected to the laptop there as well. You can see the speed test here, getting 100 megs, 200 megs pretty reliably, and we're looking to double that here in the next couple of months as well. So with this system, I mean, you can see I'm out here in the middle of nowhere, as I mentioned. There's no communications out here. There's no coax cable internet service. There's no fiber. There's no telephone lines. Just with a simple antenna, we're able to deliver really high-speed internet service. And this is a good example. We can bring service out to any of our customers' locations, whether you're retail or a warehouse or an office space. As long as you're in San Leandro to Hayward to Fremont, Newark, all the way down into the South Bay, San Jose area, we can bring service in wirelessly to your home or business. And whether it be using this equipment or something even faster, we can do it. Be sure to give us a call and we can discuss your project and what kind of internet service we can bring out to your location. Thanks for watching.